She's never swum. She's never been in big water before, so we'll see what she does. It gets deep. You better be prepared. Oh, yeah, it's deep. You have to swim.